cicada. That wing. So what happened? Wow, you can see through wing. Try to find your way out to the tree.